Hey everybody, welcome back to a Kangaroo Math video. Today I'm doing another Kangaroo Math question, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or use the comments down below. If you want to do the question yourself, the link down below will give you the question so you can print it out or do it online. And if you want to pause the video anytime, just so you guys can do it yourself, feel free to do so. So now I will get right into the question. Let's see what it says. In a restaurant, there are 16 tables. So we have 16 tables total, with 3, 4, or 6 chairs. So each table has either 3 chairs, 4 chairs, or 6 chairs. The tables with 3 or 4 chairs have 36 people, right? So 36 people has 3 or 4. While there's 72 total people, right? Now, although it doesn't say here, it says on the question, the link below, it's asking us to find how many tables have 3 chairs. So, let's try to do that. Well, we know that 36 people are sitting at tables with either 3 or 4 chairs. But that doesn't help us because we have no idea how many tables there are. But we know the total amount of people. We know the total amount of people for 3 or 4. So we can find the total amount of people on 6, right? Because that's the only other option. So that means 72 minus 36 will give us the amount on 6 tables, right? So 7 goes to 6, 2 goes to 12, 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. So that means there are 36 people sitting on the tables with 6 chairs, right? So let's see how many that is, right? So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means there are 6 tables that have 6 people on it. All right, so there are 6 tables here. So now we want to find the total amount of tables for the 36 people in 3 or 4. Well, if we know there's 16 total, and there's 6 on this, everything else has to be for this. So 16 minus 6 is 10 tables. Now, let's try this out, right? Because we want 3 or 4. We want to see how we can get 36 using 3 or 4. So let's say there's 10 tables of 4 for now. That's equal to 40 people. That is too much. That is over 36, so that doesn't work. Let's try 9 of 4. 9 times 4 is equal to 36, right? We have 36, perfect. But we have 1 extra table, so that means that table has to go to a 3-person table. 3 times 1 is 3. 36 plus 3 is 39, so that's still too much. Let's try 8. 8 times 4. What's that equal to, guys? 32, right? And if you guys aren't sure how to do multiplication, just know that when you multiply it by something, that's how many of them you have. So 8 times 4 means you have 4 8s. So 8, 16, 24, 32. You see, I have 4 8s. So you could count on your fingers, you could just count out. That gives us 32. But since there's 8 4s, we need 2 3s, right? Because there's 10 total tables. 2 times 6 is 8. 2 times 6 is 2 times 3, sorry. Because we have 2 tables of 3. That's what we have. 2 times 3 is 6. I put a 6 there because I got ahead of myself. Sorry, guys. 32 plus 6, though, is 38. That's still over 36. But if you notice, the first time we had 40, then we had 39, then we had 38. It's going down by 1 every time. So we want 36, right? So if it took us 3, so if we went from 40 at 10, 39 at 9, 38 at 8, maybe it'll go 37 at 7, and 36 at 6. So let's try that. Let's try 6. If we're guessing it'll go 36 at 6, right? So we have 6 times 4. That is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24. Now, this means we have 4 tables left. So 4 times 3, that's equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. And what's 24 plus 12? Well, that's 36. So we were right. We found a pattern and we found the answer. So how many tables of 3 are there? There are 4 tables of 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the part about finding the pattern because that made it a lot easier. You know, like then we would have had to do so much more work. But because we did find the pattern, we managed to solve the question. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want the question, again, it's in the link below. And I hope you guys have a nice day.